Hello guys, welcome to yet another video around the Moodle LMS. So in this video, we'll try adding some menu items here on the top menu. Okay, so let's get started. So that the first thing you will require is the admin credentials. So once you can log in with admin credentials, then you will be able to perform this operation. So as you can see here, I'm already under the admin login area. So under site administration, then you'll have to come here under appearances. You'll find here advanced theme setting. So you'll have to click on that. Then here you can access the custom menu items. So you can see I have added one here. Okay. So let's say this one. So if you rename this, yeah, you can rename like this. So the first thing will be your whatever name here will have to make it visible. Okay, so let's say suppose support ticket 2, and this will be the link. Right? So let's say I have to add course link there. So I will quickly come up here and create a course. Okay, so this is the link to create a course. Right? Yeah. So I can add this particular link. So I have to paste here, and you can remove the main URL. Correct? And you can put the name here, add course. Correct? So course C. Now you can save this one. So moment you click on the save, you will see here your newly added menu item has started appearing on the top menu. Correct? So you can add similar way in number of elements here. Correct? Let me try adding same thing again and again and see what happens. Okay, so up to a level you will reach here, this particular links are not being adjusted here. Okay, so up to here it was all fine, but now I have added 3 more. Correct? And this will be automatically adjusted by me. So under more, it will add your additional menu. Correct? Let's say 1 additional, 1 2 2 3 3. Correct? So under more, your 1 2 3 will appear. Correct? Let me to perform the. Okay, so let's try one more time here. So under appearances, you'll find advanced theme settings. Then here you'll find the custom menu items. Okay, so you can add here your menu with the pair of the display name and the exact URL. Got it? So in case you have external URL, you are also fine with that. So this, let's say this is the external URL. So I can directly paste here that particular URL. Correct? So this is a complete URL, even I can paste here. Let's see. So now I added this URL with support ticket. So I will click on this, then I can see like this. Correct? So this is how under support ticker I added this URL, so that is why it is very fine. Okay, so hopefully we'll have no issue adding these menu items at your end, even if you try. Thank you for watching and have a great day.